So today I am going to show you guys how to use the ultrasonic sensor, attaching it to the Arduino, and for this case I'll show you when an object's close, the red LED is gonna light up, and when an object is far away enough from the ultrasonic sensor, the green LED is gonna light up. Alright, to start, I am going to put the ultrasonic sensor to the top right of the breadboard, but you can place it anywhere you'd like. Then I proceed to put the LED and the two LEDs on it. So green is for it's far away enough, and red is for it's too close. Alright, so this is gonna be the placement for my ultrasonic sensor. So if anything comes too close, this thing is gonna light up red, and if it's far away enough, the LED is gonna light up green. And I'm going to show you the connections from the ports to the Arduino on screen right now, right here. Alright, so this is what the module would look like after. So we'd have this pin connected to pin number 2 and the red LED connected to pin number 4. For this range sensing module, ultrasonic rangefinder module, the trigger pin will go to pin number 9 and echo pin will go to pin number 10. And for the power source, I connected the Arduino's 5 volts and ground to this right side of the breadboard's bus, and every other component's ground connects to the bus, and likewise with the ultrasonic sensor. Alright, so right now I'm going to plug it in, show you guys the code, and show how everything works. So before we actually start programming the Arduino, first you have to open the library manager from your Arduino IDE, and you have to download the library called newping.h. So just type it here, and you should download this one. This is essential to make sure that your ultrasonic sensor actually works. So after you've downloaded this, you can just install it, then close. Alright, so after you've installed the new library, now we can start beginning the code. So this is the entirety of the code that's going to tell me if something's near the ultrasonic sensor or if something's too far from the ultrasonic sensor. So we begin by including the new library we've just installed. We then define the trigger and echo pins. So in my case, my trigger pin is 9 and my echo pin is 10. Then we add this information into it. Then we add duration and distance variables, and for this I tell my IDE that my green LED is connected to pin number 2 and my red LED is connected to pin number 4. So for the non-looping function, we first begin the serial monitor serial.begin. This is just to start up the serial monitor. Then we declare the red pin and green pin, the LEDs, that they're both outputs. So we then proceed to the looping function of the code. First, I set the ping in terms of centimeters. So sonar.ping_cm is equals to the distance, and the distance is the variable. We then serial print the distance. So this is just going to print in the serial monitor. And I put an if-else loop to change the colors of the LEDs. So in my case, I said if distance is below 10, then my serial monitor is going to print the unsafe distance and the distance at which the ultrasonic rangefinder is reading right now, and it's going to turn on the red LED and it's going to turn off the green LED. So basically this tells me that if something is below 10 centimeters to the ultrasonic rangefinder, the red LED is going to turn on while the green LED is going to turn off. Else, If this criteria is not met, then the serial monitor is going to print safe distance, while after it's going to print safe distance, it's going to print the actual distance that the rangefinder is reading, and it's going to change the red LED to turn off or otherwise low, and the green LED to high, otherwise on. So the concept here is, if something is within 10 centimeters of the ultrasonic rangefinder, the LED is going to turn off, but if something is not within 10 centimeters, the green LED turns on instead of the red one. So this is the Arduino after we've coded it and plugged everything in its right position. So right now, you can see that nothing is within range, within 10 centimeters of the rangefinder, and the green LED is on. But if something were to come closer to the rangefinder, the red LED is going to turn on. So this shows that the rangefinder is actually works and everything's set up right. This can be implemented in your garage. So for example, your car is coming in and you can't really estimate how far it is away from the wall. So you can put this setup in front of your car's garage. So when you pull in closer, the LED is going to turn red. But if you're still far away from the wall, the LED is going to turn green. Right? Thank you for watching. Hope this mini tutorial helps.